What is an ecosystem? Plants make their home in soil. Birds may use grasses to make nests. Bacteria in the soil break down leaves. Living and non-living things interact every day. An ecosystem includes all the living things, plant, animals, and organisms in a given area interacting with each other and with their non-living environments. An ecosystem can be large, such as rainforest, or small, such as a pond. The living things that shape an ecosystem are called biotic factors. Plants, animals, and microorganisms are biotic factors. The non-living things that shape an ecosystem are called abiotic factors. Temperature, rainfall, snow, ice, sunlight, and soil are all abiotic factors. Let's look at an example of a forest ecosystem. How do living and non-living things interact with each other? The biotic and abiotic factors of an ecosystem work together. Some examples of living or biotic factors we see includes variety of trees and vegetations, animals such as squirrel, owl, common blackbird, butterfly, fox, skunk, and many microorganisms. Abiotic factors include sunlight, soil, water, rocks, and air. Sunlight provides energy for photosynthesis and drives the ecosystem. Soil provides nutrients and support for plant growth. Water is essential for all life forms. It is necessary for photosynthesis and other biological processes. Rocks provide physical structure and habitat for some species. Air provides oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. These are just a few examples of the biotic and abiotic factors that can be seen in a forest ecosystem. The interactions between these factors are complex and create diverse relationships.